Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to find 10 eggs in the egg hunt event in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, I'm going to start the egg hunt. And basically guys, you need to find a total of 10 Easter eggs in the garden to get special reward. And I'm going to show you where you can find them. Okay, you just need to explore around the map, and the location will be random, guys. It can be right here near this machine, and it can be anywhere. The location will be different for every event, but I think the location is similar from one event to the next one. So yeah, just explore the area. I've found two Easter eggs. Okay, and this one. Okay, just collect. And right there, I found 5 Easter eggs here. Right here. And sometimes it's on the top of the roof. But for now, it's not here. Okay, sometimes it's also here on the seed shop. The seed shop banner. Okay, collect. And okay, I got 500 chocolate coins. Okay guys, and that's how you can find 10 Easter eggs in Grow a Garden game of Roblox, the egg hunt event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!